Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the module resolution and a tree shaking. Today we will be discussing about the event loop optimization techniques. So we have already discussed about the debouncing as well as the timer functions. So I'll just consider the same example, right? So let's try to understand what is event loop first. So the event loop basically processes the asynchronous tasks. So I'm again telling so event loop processes asynchronous tasks. Optimizing it avoids blocking the main thread and ensures the smoother user experience, right? I hope this is clear. Next, let's try to implement the same by making use of the example. Initially, uh, let's try to use the set timeout for the non-blocking code. Second example, we will go with the debouncing, right? First example, let's try to use set timeout for non-blocking code. So here, I'll just come. Let me quickly log. Uh, let me give something within the string. I'll just give start here. Let me make use of set timeout. So here, let me delete this one for now. So what shall I give here? Let me log something over here inside this one. Quickly, I'll just give delayed. Here, just give 0 or 0 milliseconds. So this is just for the example sake. Let me log something. I'll just give end. I have considered start, right? Here I'll just consider end. So let's try to run the code. So first we are getting start, second we are getting end, and the third one we are getting delayed, right? So what we need to understand here is set timeout. This one, set timeout, this is a timer event, right? Set timeout. Basically set timeout, it defers the code execution to the next event loop cycle. So I hope this is clear. Again I am telling this line set timeout, this defers the code execution to the next event loop cycle. So this is what this does. So we are getting the correct output, right? So let's consider one more example, debouncing. We have already discussed about the debouncing. For this, basically for the event loop optimization techniques, we will be making use of the debouncing example again. So I'll just come here. Let me quickly give here, make use of the function. I'll just give the name debounce itself, function, and delay are the parameters I'll consider. So let me give timer. Let me consider timer variable. Here, let's return. I'll just make use of the spread operator argument. So here, let me consider arrow function. So quickly, let's make use of the clear timer. Nothing but the timeout function, right? Clear timeout of, we have considered timer, right? I'll just give here, make use of the variable timer. So timer, I'll just give here set timeout of, sorry, I don't want to use this one. Anyways, set timeout of, I'll just give here function arguments, and let's consider the delay as well. So after this, let me come here. Let me make use of the variable name debounced log. Let's call debounce here function name. So within this, let's log something. I'll just give here console log of something like debounced. I'll just directly consider debounced. So let's give some delay in time. I'll just take 500 milliseconds. So here, let's call the function debounced log here, a variable debounced log. So I'll just give here debounced log function, right? So this one is a function basically. Sorry, I forgot. Debounced log function I'm calling over here. So let's try to run the code. So here we are getting the output debounced, right? This is completely working fine. So what we are doing here is debounced. Basically, what this is doing, why we are making use of debounce here. because we need the execution. If we need the some delay in the execution, then we can make use of the debounce, right? Basically, this delays the execution, ensuring efficient event handling. So again, I'm telling, when we need a delay in the execution, then we can go for the debounce. So this example, in simple terms, this delays the execution, ensuring the efficient event handling. You can clearly see here, this is getting executed debounced after 500 milliseconds, right? So as I have said, it delays the execution, ensuring the efficient event handling. So I hope the concept of this one event loop optimization techniques is completely clear. So first we saw how to make use of the set timeout for the non-blocking code, and next we saw the example with the debouncing, right? So next we will be discussing about the uh, understanding the JavaScript promises or the promisification, right? So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.